Welcome and welcome back to WatchAdvisor, where the latest watches are the stars. Today I'm going to present you one of the most avant-garde creations of Cartier, Reflection de Cartier. Cartier has one more time redefined the art of fine watchmaking with its very ultra-modern, bold timepiece inspired by the brilliance of diamonds and interplay of light in it. They brought something very special for ladies on the watch market.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
Let's take a closer look at the design. Forget anything else what you have seen so far on the watch market. It has nothing to do with traditional designs. The Reflection de Cartier looks futuristic. I would say even inspired maybe from architecture. It's solid gold. If you have it on your wrist, then it's also heavy. You feel it that you have something in high quality on your wrist and you don't forget it. I would define the watch razor as a secret watch because you can discreetly read the time. On the one end of the bracelet, you will find the dial, but at the other inner side, you will find the polished surface where the dial is reflected. So you can read the time actually from both sides. And this is the trick of this watch. The watch represents a bangle, so if you pull the sides apart, you open it, and if you put your wrist here, you can close the bangle. So your dial and the reflection of the dial will be on top of your wrist. So you will be able to read the time from both sides. The bangle itself looks like a construction of rectangular parts which are connected with each other in an irregular manner, but have also spaces between them. Its components are polished to the extent that they are reflecting the light like a mirror. So much so, it looks like the light would come from inside of the bracelet. This is why the collection is also called Reflection de Cartier. Despite its bold aesthetics, the watch feels very comfortable on the wrist. There are no sharp edges. The watch is perfectly polished. It's smooth. It's big. You feel it on your wrist, but it's so smooth. This is because of the know-how Cartier is bringing from its jewelry. They are experts in it. And of course, they are incorporating their knowledge into watches. So this is for someone who loves jewelry timepieces, and it looks really amazing. Futuristic, sculptural, nice finishing, very nice design. You can wear daily, I would say, and also to special occasions. The dimensions are 18.4 by 17.5 millimeters and the case thickness 8.9 millimeters. The watch is water resistant up to 3 bar or 30 meters, so you don't have to worry, for example, when washing your hands about damaging the watch. For me, the watch is much more a jewelry piece than a watch. It has a quartz movement inside which makes it easy and takes away the care for mechanical watches. You just read the time and enjoy your special piece on your wrist. If you are a woman and you like Cartier, you like something extraordinary, then it's something for you. You have just to try on this watch, Go into the boutique of Cartier to see it in the light, how it amazingly reflects the lights like a diamond, and to feel this quality. Of course, you can choose between different models. There is a classic model made of yellow gold, but there are more extravagant models made of white gold with diamonds. So it would be for sure something eye-catching for your events when you are going out. If you are a man watching this video, then it could be a very special present for your loved ones, for your wife, daughter, or your mother, because you don't see this timepiece very often. It's probably something meaningful, bringing something special to their everyday lives. Thank you very much for watching our video about Reflection de Cartier, and if you liked our content and what we are doing, please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. Please let me know if you like the timepiece, what you think about it, would you buy it, gift it? I'm very curious. See you soon again on our channel. Bye!